babies, welcome back to my channel. Oh, don't look at my armpits. Okay, these are no. I'm going to be doing my makeup and just talk about things that's going on in this world right now. It's chaos. Oh my god. But anyway, so we're just gonna continue with the video and let's get to it. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm just going to do my makeup and see what looks I come up with, because I don't have any blueprint, so we'll see. Anyways, I already did my eyebrows off camera just because it saves time, so because I don't like to edit my videos so much work, since I'm really bad at giving you guys the info of what I use in my video. So I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath palette. This thing is expensive, but the formula is extremely good. All the colors that I need. Hello. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. It's all neutral colors, honestly, browns. That's all I need though. I'm a basic person. Okay, I'm not that basic, okay. And I'm going to be using the Morphe fluffy brush. The thing with my camera is sometimes it does not want to focus and so I'm going to be using the lightest brown on this palette. They don't have names, so so just lightly. Usually I just want to place the eyeshadow where I want it to be placed. I don't want that, okay? I don't want the same color in the same spot. I want to be blended, okay? Blended like beige too. And then slightly work your way up. And this is gonna be your transition shade. And I'm not too sure if I want to like extend it this way, but it gives me that facelift. You know what I'm saying? That facelift. So this is a drag look. You need to extend the eyeshadow this way, which I don't want. I already cut the crease off camera, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So basically, you're gonna grab a white concealer base. This was from Kat Von D. Up of your lid. You're going to look up. This is how I make mine. Okay, so once you're done cutting the cut crease, you're going to slightly use the same brown color that you use on the other eye on the corner of the cut crease, and you're gonna make like an ombre effect like this one. Wait, BH Cosmetics 105 brush. And ooh, girl, you just saw that? Oh, I was a pro. Just slightly. I did this look on Instagram the other day, and a lot of you guys wanted a tutorial, so here it is. Now, this is not a natural look, okay? It's a drag look, so don't. So we're finished, girl. We're done. Pat McGrath is known for her eyeshadow. It's glitter. Oh my god. By far favorite eyeshadow that I always use. And I slightly use my finger. Look how sparkly. It's so stunning. Ooh, y'all saw that? Oh. Pat McGrath, I love you so much. Look at that. Oh my god. Basically, the eyes are not finished yet, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my base, so basically cover up my beard, foundation, contour, and everything, all that stuff, because honestly, I ain't got time to be filming all that stuff. Oh, okay, maybe next time I'll just have a separate video on how I sculpt my face. But yes, so I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so yeah, okay. This is a finished look. Thank you so much for watching this pointless video that I took your time off But anyways, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Oh, me doing my makeup, my drag makeup actually, because I am a drag queen, you know. I am a drag queen, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. Hey. Yeah, I post a lot of my looks on Instagram, so y'all just go. Am I in focus? No. Yes. I have to post for the thumbnail. Hello. Okay, ready? You're gonna, okay. Wait, get my good side though. I'm serious. Get my good side. Okay, ready? Wait, I'm not finished. Okay. Are you taking it right now? Wait.